This is Andrea with Fantastic Voyages. I am at Sandals Royal Plantation, room 207, which is a Viceroy Honeymoon Oceanfront Butler suite. We're going to do a room tour. But first, I'm going to show you what the back part looks like before we go in. It's very pretty. Okay. Yes. The employee is talking to me, saying I'm making someone jealous. Okay, so we're gonna go in here. So when you come in, this is what it's gonna look like. There's a little bench down there. Okay, have this little desk, and I will be honest, I did not flip through this. Okay, so it's called Jamaica Vibes, so we'll just leave that there. And then in here, we do have room service, because this resort is all Butler, so we can put a breakfast menu out outside the door tonight and pick what time we want food delivered. It's gonna be delivered in the morning if we want. I like to point out the fans. It's nice and cool in here. Our air conditioner works well along with the fans. Some welcome letters. There is a Butler preference form that you can fill out in advance to let them know a little bit about you, things that you want in the room, things that you like. That way they can help make your stay even better. All right, so over here, we have this table that does extend out, so if we get room service, then we have more room to sit. There is our QR code to scan so we can get the menu for the in-room dining. This is not ours. This is so that we can get in contact with our butler. We have two of them, one in the daytime and one in the evening. We can text them if it's an emergency. We need to call them, but she said text and they'll get back to us as soon as they can. So that is what that's for. Each room will have that. So let's get without even having the doors open, that's a heck of a view. So it is not a full balcony. It's like the Romeo and Juliet style, or French balcony. And this is the view from our room. This was actually in the fridge. It has not been sitting out, but that was waiting for us. I took it out of the fridge just because it looked better out. We have some water, glasses, ice, coffee maker, stuff for coffee and tea. Oh, the minibar. So all of this is included. Water, apple juice, orange juice, Coke, Sprite, Coke Zero, Red Stripe. So here's the room from this direction. And note, there is a step. Quite a few steps in this resort. So you have to be mindful of that and watch for them. So we're gonna go check out the bathroom area. First, double sink. To the left is the toilet and shower, and to the right is the closet. We're gonna start with the closet. It is nice and big. You have a thing for laundry, some hangers, robes, extra bedding, your room safe. There is a hairdryer, and then iron and umbrella. It's for toiletries. We have shampoo, conditioner, body cleanser, lotion. They even give you a bath bomb or bath truffle. Some soaps. And over here, we have a few things. We have some cotton balls, Q-tips, cotton pads, a little nail emery board, and a shower cap. And real quick, I am going to note there is a full-length mirror right here. I'm trying to not be in it. We go into where the shower, bath, toilet is. It does have that European style half glass. And the toilet. Get a quick view from this direction. And that is it. Sandals Royal Plantation.